Long story short, we could not get a decent quality temper out of this
And
thing.
those refrigeration people were people you've used before?
Yes.
Okay, so now what I guess I'm getting at is...
Careful, grease on your pants.
Got it.
Is the... Did you start that process of starting to take out and put in the parts, or did you...
No,
you
not
haven't
yet.
done that yet?
Not yet.
Okay.
This is as far as I got. I took it apart. Now we're going to change the mechanical wear parts to see if, there was something going on there, because there is, it could be a mechanical wear part thing, because, man, come on over here, come on. Just man, jumping ahead a little bit, but this is something called a spring pack. And the spring pack actually does not have springs in it. It has stacked washers on the inside, and the washers are convex or concave, and they are stacked opposite each other as they go up. And so if you look down in there, you can see like gaps between the springs, and essentially it makes a excuse me, I'm gonna have to turn this one on.
That's like a clutch pack for
Mom.
transmission.
Yeah, we're working. Can I call you later?
So he's saying if one flops one way, one flops the other way.
Okay. All right. Bye bye. So, see, look what I'm gonna do, Joe.
Oh, he's turning it off.
It's off. Okay, watch and learn.
Exactly right.
Anyhow, so this is a spring pack, and what does it do? It goes.
Wait, Dave, let's do one thing first.
Right,
Tell these guys where these parts fit over there, so that they can...
Should we put it together as you go?
Yeah, I mean, we can, but I just want to give you an overview.
Okay.
Since we were on there, I mean,
Good.
you may want to, like, when you're done with these short video clips, to like edit them and put them in some sort of order that makes sense, instead of jumping around like we're doing here.
I can do that.
Since I have a machine that's already apart, this may be the trial run for the video thing, and then once we get to a machine that we're going to start from the beginning, taking it apart, cleaning it and stuff like that,
Makes
then
sense.
we can do everything in chronological order of
Makes
those.
sense.
But since we're jumping in the middle here, we'll continue to jump around.
Where does this surface sit into the machine?
This sits in the bottom here. I got it. Okay, now you'll notice that the bottom plate does not go all the way out to the edges. And you'll notice that these arms are scraping the sides of the tank. Now, as this rotates, it's scraping chocolate off the side, but also what it's doing is it's sucking hot chocolate. This is water-jacketed tank here that's heating the chocolate up over 100 degrees. And as this rotates, it's sucking chocolate at the bottom of each of these vertical scrapers. There's an entrance right here to go underneath the plate. Now, when the chocolate gets underneath the plate, it starts traveling in these spiral grooves. The very bottom of the tank in here is not water jacketed. In fact, it's cooled. It has refrigeration unit on the bottom of it. There's copper tubes at the bottom of this plate here, which makes it a cold plate. So once the chocolate starts traveling through these spiral grooves to the center, it's being cooled and conditioned by the cold plate underneath.